Are you iPhone user? Then you have to do it immediately, otherwise your phone will be hacked. An internet watchdog from Citizen Lab found a bug in iPhone OS, through which some of the hackers are installing Pegasus Spyware on your iPhone. Even you are not clicking any links or installing any third-party software. With this bug, they can access your camera, mic, etc. Citizen Labs named this as zero-day bug. What to do now? Apple already released security update to overcome this. Install security updates immediately. How you generally update your iOS in your phone. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.